What causes milky white discharge?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are diving into a topic that may not be discussed as often as it should be, but is incredibly important: understanding the meaning behind milky white vaginal discharge. It's completely normal to have some questions about this, and that's why we are here to guide you. Our bodies can often seem like complex puzzles, but with the right information, we can start to understand the messages they send us. This understanding empowers us to take better care of our health.
What is normal vaginal discharge?
To understand what causes milky white discharge, we first need to discuss what constitutes normal vaginal discharge. This is a fluid produced by glands inside the vagina and cervix, which carries away dead cells and bacteria. This process keeps the vagina clean and helps prevent infection. Normal vaginal discharge often appears clear or milky and may have a slight odor. Its consistency can change throughout a menstrual cycle. The amount of discharge can vary widely from person to person and is typically not cause for concern.
What causes milky white discharge?
Now, let's get into the heart of our discussion. There are a variety of reasons for milky white vaginal discharge. Often, it's a sign of healthy functioning and is perfectly normal. It can become more noticeable during ovulation, sexual arousal, or pregnancy. However, if it is accompanied by other symptoms like itching, burning, or an unusual smell, it could be a sign of an infection such as bacterial vaginosis, yeast infection, or a sexually transmitted infection. Remember, any changes from your normal discharge should be discussed with a healthcare provider.
When should you consult a healthcare provider?
If the milky white discharge is not your usual pattern, or if it is associated with other symptoms like pain, itching, burning, an unusual smell, or discomfort during sex, it's a good idea to see a healthcare provider. Also, if the discharge becomes frothy, yellow, greenish, or gray, these could also be signs of an infection. Never hesitate to seek medical advice when something doesn't feel right. It's always better to be safe and informed about your health. In conclusion, milky white discharge is typically a normal part of the menstrual cycle, but could also indicate certain health conditions if accompanied by other symptoms. Understanding your body is an important part of your well-being, so don't shy away from these conversations. Remember, knowledge is power. We hope this video has provided some helpful insight into this topic, and as always, stay tuned for more health education content.